Join thousands of other teachers and parents around the world who are already using NurtureStore's resources to save time and help them teach better. Through NurtureStore, you'll have access to fun children's activities, ready-made lesson plans, and lots of printables to engage your children in lessons they love. At NurtureStore, we're all about learning through play and hands-on activities to raise happy, confident, and skilled children. You'll find great resources to suit you and your children if you're a parent or a teacher, a grandparent, a childcare professional, or a community leader. Whether you want a quick idea or a full curriculum, we've got just what you need. Think of NurtureStore as your teaching fairy godmother, always on hand with an idea whenever you wish for one. If you're a parent, you can use our resources for fun play dates, family weekends, and to keep your children entertained during the holidays. For homeschoolers, we have a wide range of ready-made unit studies and nature and art-based curricula. Teachers love our math and literacy printables and our activities for the festivals of the year. Childminders love our sensory play activities, and grandparents love to do our crafts and art lessons with their grandkids. Forest school leaders use our forest classroom lessons, and school gardening clubs follow our month-by-month gardening guides. If you're raising smart, creative kids, you'll love our resources. I'm Kathy, the founder of NurtureStore. I live in the UK with my husband Sean and our 2 children. I've got over 30 years experience teaching in schools, our community, as a childminder, a homeschooler, and working with the UK government. All this experience means that the resources I create for NurtureStore work for you, whichever setting you're in. Parents and teachers tell me they love our activities for all ages of children, including kids with special education needs and neurodiversity. Our ideas bring colour, creativity, and hands-on activities, and they work their magic with sound educational best practices to really help children understand the concepts and lessons they're learning. So join us and benefit from NurtureStore's resources for your children. Subscribe to our channel and use the ready-made activities and lesson plans on the NurtureStore website, like the thousands of parents and teachers around the world who are already part of the NurtureStore community. Join us and let NurtureStore save you time and help you teach better.